Hey guys, it's Cal coming at you with another review from the rig. I attempt to answer the question that you most want to know. Yeah, but does it smell good? Today, I didn't plan on doing a video. I just come back from vacation. I'm just getting over a cold, so I left my gear at home, my tripod and my mic. But I picked this up yesterday at the post office. This I bought out of my own money. As soon as I saw the label on this, I just was intrigued by it. To me, this reminds me of something that's light and fun and playful. It reminds me of old apothecary bottles, so I was instantly intrigued. Of course, obviously, the old apothecary bottles wouldn't have had aliens and UFOs and stuff on it, but I just love that aesthetic. And then to hear it was Florida water. Now, honestly, I didn't even know what Florida water was. Again, I thought it was something that was light floral, slightly sweet, not in your face, dark, brooding, masculine leather, smoke, tobacco. So I was really intrigued, and then I read the scent notes on it, and again, based primarily on that label. And again, I picked this up at the post office yesterday. I applied it to my back of my hand, and again, my nose is still not 100%. I'm just getting over a cold. I was on vacation all week last week. We played disc golf, played in our first A-tier PDGA tournament. I didn't do so well, but I had a great time, met some great people, including the guy who designed this shirt, Tobin of DL Prince. So check that out. Great to meet you. Also another disc golfer. So what is this? Oh, we have scent notes of orange, neroli, lemon, clove, lavender, and woody. Now, even with my broken sniffer, what do I get off this? To me, instantly fresh, juicy orange. That clove just comes through so beautifully. I get like an orange bay rum, and it's just absolutely wonderful. I get orange liqueur without that, without the liqueur part. I get Grand Marnier without the alcohol burn. I get those Terry's chocolate oranges without the chocolate. Just so fun. Again, I don't know what the staying power is going to be like on this. The sniffer is still not 100% yet, but hopefully in a few days. But damn, it's fresh, it's refreshing, it's fun, it's playful, it's not dark and brooding. And again, if you're a fan of Bay Rum, I think you're actually going to love this one. Again, paid for this out of my own pocket. And as soon as I get this video made, I'm going to go in and buy the pit stick and probably the solid cologne. Just such a wonderful scent for the summer. And again, I was surprised. Just basically a blind buy based on that label art. I mean, if you're a certain age, if you're Gen X like me, tell me that you didn't buy an LP. Tell me that you didn't buy a cassette back in the day from your local department store just based on the album art. Not even really, and no, you knew who the band was, but the album art was awesome. You didn't know what the album itself sounded like, but so that's what this was. And if this probably, actually when I get home, I'm actually going to blend this with some good vibrations and see if we end up with some sort of a freak and an abomination, or if we end up with something that's truly amazing. But this is definitely going to be one of my top summer scents, alongside with good vibrations. So anyway, sorry for the sound quality and the brevity of this. Again, unexpected, didn't plan on making a video this week, but I had to tell you about this one, guys. So check it out. Available across the full product lines right now. I believe it's seasonal, but check it out while it's there. So anyway, we'll talk to you guys real soon. You take care. Bye-bye.